Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
Hi, I'm calling about that microwave you have on Craigslist.
Yeah, what about it?
Alright, so, my bad. My fucking phone sucks. I got the new iPhone 7. Alright, so, as I was saying, is there, like, a feature where I can set to what heat I want?
Yeah.
How many features?
10.
When did you buy this microwave?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Did you get it at Kmart or Walmart? Because there's a big fucking difference. I don't want no Mexican lady shipping my shit, you know?
Nigga, I got it at Goodwill. What you talking about?
Yeah, actually,
Kmart,
Goodwill's
Walmart.
fine with
What's
me.
that?
Goodwill is fine with me.
Alright, that's what I'm talking about.
Wait, what are you talking about? I'm
talking
talking about a
getting
fucking
my microwave from Goodwill.
I bet you get most of your things from Goodwill. Alright, let's just stick on subject.
Huh?
So, 110 for the microwave?
What?
110 for the microwave? Do we got a deal?
Yeah. Yep.
Tell you what, I'll give you 40.
40? I'm down for that too. What's your address?
What's my
I'll
address?
mail you one.
It's at Ivana.
Huh?
69 Ivana, Humpalot Street.
Hump-a-lot?
Yeah, 69 Ivana, Humpalot Street. Is there a problem with that?
Hold on, I gotta get a pen. 90
See,
second pins.
my
right around
name,
here.
my name is Seymour Butts.
Is your name Belmin?
No, my name is Seymour Butts.
Seymour Butt?
Seymour Butts.
Oh. I can send you a picture of my butt too if you want.
Oh, hell yeah. Fuck the microwave. No,
I won't forget about that
on
microwave.
some real shit though. I need that microwave though, for real, because I'm having a picnic here soon, and I was bringing my power cord. I have a 300-foot power cord, and I was gonna connect it from my house, and then I was gonna go to the park that's across the street from me and hook up that microwave and cook some chicken nuggets and some fish.
Oh my God. Are you fucking Jack?
Nah, I'm for real. I'm being 110 on this. I need that fucking microwave.
You're trying to tell me that you don't have a fucking microwave, but you have an extension cord long enough to reach it from the fucking house to a park?
Yeah. I also got a generator.
You do?
Hell yeah. 1200 watt generator.
What's it shoot out?
These nuts?
Oh my God, how old are you?
Well, how old do you think I am? Let's just say I'm old enough.
You're old enough?
Yeah, I'm old enough to cook chicken nuggets in the microwave.
Oh, well, that's good, because I cooked chicken nuggets at 2 years old in the microwave.
Yeah, you must be a genius. Is that why you shop at Goodwill?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Is there something wrong with that?
Yeah.
What?
You fucking copywriting Macklemore now? Do you only have $20 in your
Huh?
pocket? You know that song?
What?
The Goodwill song by Macklemore? Thrift Shop?
No, I want to hear it. Will you sing it to me?
No. Because that's probably like the national anthem of your life. You only got $20 in your pocket.
Oh, yeah, I like that song.
But you don't even know it. Alright, no. Alright, I'm back on subject. Alright, so, the microwave. We got a deal?
Yeah.
Alright, $40.
And then I'll have $40 in my pocket.
And you just fucking ruined that song. God damn it. Alright, so...
You didn't think I knew that song?
Yeah, but you suck at singing it. I don't care if you knew it or didn't. You just ruined it for me.
Oh, that's really mean. I'm not selling you my microwave.
I don't give a shit. Let me talk to someone, the owner of the microwave.
I am the motherfucking owner of this microwave.
Nah, fuck that. Let me talk to the owner of the microwave. I need that shit ASAP. Like ASAP Rocky.
Where do you even live at?
I told you, 69 Ivana Humpalot Street.
Shut up.
It's in Penisburg.
Penisburg?
Yeah, it's
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's right next to Dickinson Avenue.
Does Daniel know where you live?
Who?
Daniel?
Daniel. I don't have any friends by the name of Daniel.
You know Daniel.
Daniel what?
Melbourne. Are you trying to tell me that you don't know him?
Oh my God!
Sound resumed.
Oh my God!
What the fuck?
You just fucking missed one of the best prank calls I've ever done. I'm gonna upload this bitch right now. Dude, I called Tanker's sister like 100 times. I was like, hey, bitch, you got that fucking microwave for sale?
What the fuck?
I was like, what kind of fucking speeds does it have? She's like, why do you even need a microwave? I was like, cause, bitch, I want to go to the park that's across the street from me. I was like, I got a 300-foot extension cord. I was like, I'm going to go watch some, I was like, I'm going to go have a picnic. Oh my God, hang on, let me upload it. Oh, that was fucking funny.
Is she hot?
Oh my God. She's like, is your name Belmin? She's like, what's your name? I'm like, Seymour Butts. She's like, where do you live? I was like, 69 Ivana Humpalot. Dude, that was fucking hilarious.